Hi, and welcome to Beyond the Book. I'm your host, Miss Jennifer, and today we're going to learn about some fun outdoor activities that you can do at many of Grand Prairie's beautiful parks. Mountain Creek Lake Park, or Mi Familia Park, and I brought one of my favorite outdoor activity books. Come on, let's learn. I love this book, Forest Club by Chris Hirschman, because it breaks down activities by seasons and gives lots of information about nature and how we can protect it. For example, decomposition is important to the forest's health. When leaves, sticks, and other plant matter breaks down, their nutrients are released. These chemicals enter the soil. They will rest there all winter long. In the spring, trees and other plants will suck up these nutrients through their roots. This natural fertilizer will help plants to make new leaves and branches. When autumn rolls around, the new material will fall and decompose, and the whole cycle will begin again. It's okay to move things to observe decomposition. When you are done looking, however, put everything back the way you found it. This is important to the health of the forest. Let's check out some of these activities. Come on!
Let's do a seed hunt. How many seeds can you find? We can always see what's happening on the surface of a pond or a lake or a river, but we don't always know what's going on underneath. Let's do the peek into a pond activity. All you need is a plastic water bottle. You have to cut off the top and the bottom. Make sure you ask your adult before cutting. Cover one open end with plastic wrap and then tighten it with a rubber band. The next thing you do is push the plastic wrap end of the bottle into the water and see what you can see. You'll create a lens that magnifies everything below.
I also brought this book, Can You Guess What I Am? Nature by J.P. Percy. It's close-up pictures of different things you find in nature. You know what? I can take pictures and make my own book. I bet you can too. Here are some of the shots I've got. Well, that's it for today, everyone. I'm going to enjoy this glorious weather and go take a walk. Bye!
Thanks for watching Beyond the Book, and remember, reading takes you places.